So we're in Clovis, California, and we're taking a look at a little project out here. You've got hot and cold piping coming down the wall, PEX. You can see the cold right here where it's turned is cracked. So that's defective. And so anyways, we're going to shut the water down because it's been leaking a while now and causing damage to the sheetrock. And then we'll get this repaired and we'll take another video when we're done. So still here in Clovis, California, and so the previous portion of this video is we showed you the water spraying out of this tubing, so it's been replaced. I'm not sure who the manufacturer is because there's no labeling on the pipe. Let me see if there's something on this. So I don't want to name a manufacturer and then get in trouble with them. There is one in particular that has an outstanding lawsuit out right now, but it looks like their pipe, but all the PEX looks the same. It's that kind of flat colored blue. This is Uponor tubing type A, and any trouble with that, it's 25-year guarantee, 100-year life expectancy. And anytime we've sent a piece of pipe in defective, they've repiped the entire home for free, and that doesn't happen with the other manufacturers. So that's my 2 cents worth. We've got the same pipe at our house, type B, and so it's a waiting game and until something begins to spray. So anyways, just shark bite coupling there, it's approved by code. When we cut this wall open the first time, we felt it braze or just graze against the hot line and kind of nicked it right here. It wasn't leaking, but we repaired that, so that's on us. But so shark bite coupling there, shark bite coupling here. Uponor tubing over to your sink. Since we were inside there and worked on your plumbing, we replaced the shutoff valve as well, so you can see. So now on the cold side, you can see that's a quarter turn. That's a brass craft 5/8 OD by 3/8 OD shutoff valve, quarter turn on, quarter turn off, and then additionally give you a brand new supply line. The reason why we do that is if we hook back up your old valve and your old connector and it leaks, then you call us up and we got to come back out of here for free and work on it, and we don't want to do that. So just brand new valve, brand new connector. So we're going to turn the water on here and test the sink out. We've already looked at the wall out there, no leaking. So if everything goes good, that'll be it. And outside of that, this installation is done.